Hello class and welcome to your Module 4 assignment overview. For this week we are going to be discussing elder justice and well-being. And let's go over the two assignments for this week. So for this week we have a discussion post as well as a journal entry. As it relates to your discussion post, we will be discussing elder justice and autonomy. So after reviewing this module's textbook reading and website, address the following questions in your initial post. Where does the right to make poor personal choices end and the state's right to intervene begin? In response to your peers' post, comment on where individuals' rights end and the state's rights begin. Do you agree or disagree with what your peers have stated? If yes or no, state why. Also offer any questions to help your peers think further about the discussion question. Select this hyperlink for additional information on how you will be graded for this discussion post. And as a reminder, your initial post should be posted Thursday at midnight, your standard time zone. And response to your peers, it's posted 11:59 p.m. your time zone on Sunday. In addition to the discussion for this week, we also have a journal entry on the same topic around elder justice. You will need to review Chapter 6 in your textbook and the website on elder justice for this journal assignment. The questions that you should be addressing for your journal are: what new or surprising information did you learn about elder justice? How is elder justice a policy issue? Do you believe that dying alone is elder justice? Explain why. What are the implications of elder justice for community health? And then lastly, how does the topic of elder justice intersect with your own life? Again, I'm going to strongly encourage you to utilize these questions as your headings and then provide the responses after the headings. Please provide citations using your textbook reading, the NCOA website, and other outside sources that you use for the development of your narrative. And if for a review of the guidelines and rubric for journal entries, please select this hyperlink for more information. And that is it for your brief overview for this week. Again, journal entries and discussions post are assignments that we've gone over in other weeks. We are halfway through the course, so if you are having questions or any issues with the development of your policy brief or any issues with the course in general, please do reach out to me as soon as possible so that I can provide additional clarity and additional information on anything that I've gone over during this assignment overview that you have additional questions about. Okay, I hope this has been helpful and I wish everyone a great and wonderful week. See you in the discussion forums. Bye-bye.